Welcome everyone. We're going to do a quick one from Life Intrigue's Haunt department today. We finally got Dagger mic together. This is the first time we've had it out of the box. We bought it after Halloween last year, so we got it at a reduced price. Normally about $170 with tax in that, and the 50% off is about $80, $90. So this is the first time we've got it together. A couple things I really like about it. I like the off white colored head and the face. Really nicely done. Overall maroon coloring is very nice. Couple things not great about it. First of all, it does use twist ties to put together at least this shoulder part in, which I'm not real fond of. I prefer the post and hook, the loop mechanisms on the other Spirit animatronics, but that's okay, we can get by with that. Actually, as well as the opening here, goes halfway to the back, and then there's another opening lower here. It turns out that this one's a little too high to get good access to the control box here, and the other one's a little low to get good access. So I wish that would be better. There's no reason not to have that go all the way down, but that's okay, we can deal with that. So Mike here sits about 4 feet tall. But he does project up 10 inches when activated. And let's go ahead and show you how that's done. Plug it in. Right now I have it on the built-in sensor for this. Pretty nice. I like it a lot. Now it only has one sound pack, so that's the one you'll get every time it's activated. I'll do it one more time for you. Plug right now. So really happy with that. It has a nice pop effect. I really like that animation. I'll probably come back and put a little red paint on the daggers. It's just a little too clean, maybe on his uniform as well. But actually very nice overall. Glad we picked this up. Now one thing that we do have is that's using the default sensor on it in the chest here. I believe that is a PIR type mode. Now we change out every controller and any prop we buy or make to the ones that we have that are also based on the PIR. Let me just switch him over here. Okay. So our custom controllers are also based on a PIR. We can't have any motion detecting sensors out in our haunted trail because the leaves and everything else would set it off. So we use the PIR, has a switch to turn on and off. It takes a 9-volt battery. And we'll have a tutorial on this coming up. Shows you how we built this and the mechanisms inside that actually controls the animatronics. Now, we have two modes. One just goes into the stomp pad input, and the other end just we make, so it just goes into our controller here, just through a J connector. And the nice thing about this is we can actually control the angle that they want the animation to be kicked off on. So if we want it to come short or ahead of the guest as he walks by, we can point it closer to that direction, or if we really want it to pop slightly afterwards to give that surprise effect, we can angle it out a little past that, which is probably what we'll do in this one because of the jump scare. If we get them to go back past it just a little bit and then hit them with that jump. So let me show you how that works. I've just put in one side of the cable onto the stomp pad input, and again the other one's on our controller. I'm going to set this down here so I can get to it. I've switched it over to the stomp pad on the control box. I'll go ahead and turn that on. So that's being controlled now by our controller, our PIR controller. So all I need to do is just go in front of it. So this will go out on our haunted trail. I'm a little concerned about how long it'll last because it's all plastic mechanics and that, but we'll see how long that works. We have other props from Spirit that also have that same plastic gearing mechanism, and it's been holding up for years. So we'll see, just see how that works on the haunted trail. But for right now, I'm very happy with this particular prop, and we just wanted to show you what it looked like all together. Thanks for coming by. Stay calm, haunt on.